Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox with a joystick on PC. While Roblox offers limited native support for some controllers, achieving full joystick control for any PC joystick requires third-party remapping software. This approach is the only way to truly customize your gameplay, transforming your experience into a more immersive, console-like adventure with precise control. To begin, you will need to choose a suitable remapping software. Programs like Joystick, Anti-Micro X, or X360CE are widely used for this purpose. It is crucial to select software compatible with your joystick and operating system. Many options are available, some free and some paid, each offering unique features to enhance your control over Roblox. Once your software is installed, connect your joystick to your PC. Open the remapping application and begin assigning keyboard and mouse commands to your joystick's buttons and analog sticks. For example, map movement to the left stick and camera control to the right stick. Remember to save your custom profile, perhaps naming it Roblox Profile for easy access. After initial setup, take time to fine-tune your joystick configuration. Adjusting sensitivity for analog sticks can significantly improve precision, especially for aiming or navigating. Experiment with various button layouts to find what feels most natural and comfortable for you. Regularly test your settings within different Roblox games to ensure optimal performance and an enjoyable gaming experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.